What causes condensation on windows? Condensation on windows occurs because water vapor in the air deposits itself on surfaces that are at lower temperatures. Condensation is the result of hot and humid air coming into contact with a cold surface. When this warm, moist air meets this too cold surface, the moisture in it condenses. Are quality vinyl windows responsible for condensation? The answer is definitely a no. A good quality vinyl window is not responsible for condensation. Properly sealed and installed windows minimize heating and cooling loss, which is the leading cause of condensation. This reduced air leakage ensures that humid air remains inside. When condensation appears on well-insulated windows, it could mean that moist interior air has not been allowed to escape, but homeowners can take a number of steps to control this process. If your home's windows are not well insulated or haven't been properly installed, your ability to control condensation will be limited. Over time, condensation on windows can contribute to mold growth, a destructive presence hidden inside window and wall openings. If you are trying to avoid condensation, window frames that are made of vinyl are the recommended material by industry professionals. The edge of the insulating glass unit is indeed the most vulnerable to heat and cooling loss, condensation, and frosting. Vinyl windows that include superspacer technology, made with 100% polymer foam, a no-metal spacing system, provides thermal efficiency through no presence of conductive metals. That means it keeps the heat in during the winter months and keeps the cool out during the summer months. Superspacer assures comfortable winter humidity levels with hardly any worries about condensation and mold.